Hello everybody, I'm Mortika Lacrosse. Welcome back to Pursuit of Happiness right here on Positively Affecting Lives. If you want to see more of this content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified of future videos. Make sure you give a thumbs up at the end of the video if you like the content you're seeing. Now, this is a continuation of the series that I've been doing within the Pursuit of Happiness, which is talking about the wealth and prosperity mindset, how to achieve that, the way to act upon that. And the thing is once you've get past the perception thing and you've realized that perception is everything in order to achieve this wealth and prosperity mindset, then what do you do next? Well, wealth and prosperity don't just fall out of the sky. Success does not just fall out of the sky. You have to act upon it. You have to find a way to make your passion, the thing that you're passionate about, make it pay you. Make it, get to the goal you want to do. Find your passion, or to make your passion work for you. And you're like, well, exactly how do you do that? So let's jump into it and find out how you do that. So here are some ways that you can follow your passion while contributing value. And using this, you can think to yourself, how can I use these ideas to generate my income, to achieve that state of wealth and prosperity, applying what I've already learned in this particular series. And that's what you have to think, and writing it down and brainstorming like you would for a book, brainstorm of how you can use this to achieve set goals would help. I think there's about a few more videos before this part of the series is completed. So anyways, thank you for watching. I'm Mortika Lacrosse. As always, peace out, namaste, and blessed be. See you next time.